Hi friends, welcome to another decluttering video. Today, Rachel from LiveLaughLoveMommy and I are going to be decluttering our pantries. And so, if you guys know me, I don't really have a pantry, but I have lots of cabinets. And I'm just going to be decluttering some things that maybe are expired, things I know that we will not eat and I can give to someone who will eat it, because right now times are kind of tough. So I just might help other people out there. And then also just reorganizing it to make it a little bit more livable and useful. So I'm really excited because I'm going to be uploading some really fun videos for you guys really soon. I know that we can't really go anywhere, so I figure, well, maybe I'll make some fun videos and hopefully bring happiness to someone's day. I'm hoping. So as of tomorrow, I think March 25th, is it? I don't even know what day it is. So Wednesday, as of tomorrow, the state of Washington where I live is going into a 2-week quarantine. So we can go to the grocery store, we can visit our family, but we cannot be seen outside in public, like within 6 feet apart from each other. So, so grocery stores are still open, so people should not panic about that. And when I went to the grocery store this morning, it wasn't really crazy, which I was really surprised because I have seen some crazy shoppers lately. But I did get a few things and I'll show you guys what I got and then I'll get to my decluttering, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Alright, so I got a 10-pound thing of sugar because we make sweet tea and it lasts longer than sodas and it's less expensive than sodas, and it's just all the antioxidants in the tea is good for you. The sugar not so much, but this is also good for, you know, if I'm baking something or making Kool-Aid or something, just to get through. So we have 10 pounds of that. That was like $4.10 or something. And then I bought, so we have a little bit left of this sugar. This is just a 5-pound, I think. No, 4-pound thing of sugar. So I also bought 2 of these blueberries, blueberry muffin mixes. They make 6 muffins only, but these are like less than $1 each and you only need water. Those are so good. And then I got 1 triple berry, which is really good. And I got 1 banana nut and 1 chocolate chip. So these are all $1, or they're all less than $1, and you only need, what was it? Half a cup of water or milk. So that's like super easy. So I got those today along with this. You can see it's kind of kind of disorganized. It's a little disorganized, not too disorganized, but it is just cluttered. And then I also got, I also got this right here, the Brown and Serve dinner rolls. This was only $1 and they just look so good. They're so soft. I'm gonna put them in the oven just to brown them a little bit with dinner. But I mean, for $1, I think this is gonna be really nice. I can even turn these to like little mini sliders too, and that'd be a good idea also. So I don't know what I'm gonna do for dinner tonight. I might either make mini sliders or I might make something with these rolls on the side. But I mean, for $1, you can't go wrong. So this looks so good, so squishy, so good. All right, and then I got an onion. My husband's allergic to onions, so I do not cook onions in his food, but because we do have stuff for chili dogs and stuff for lunches and stuff. How many times can I say stuff, really? I got an onion so I could chop up to add to mine and my dad's chili dogs, and then I can add it to something that I'm not cooking for my husband. Or what I do sometimes too is I'll make 2 separate things. Well, I'll make the same thing but in a separate bowl, and my husband will have 1 bowl that does not have any onions and the other bowl is going to have some onions in it, so just to keep him safe. So this was 46 or 47 cents. And yeah, lots of apples. All right, so that is what I got from today's grocery shopping. I only went in there to get sugar. So yep, that's what I got. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this haul, and let's get to decluttering my cabinets.
It's been 4 weeks since you called, and I've been waiting here for you all along. I've been waiting here for you all along. Where you been? Where did you go? I wonder if you found what you're looking for. wonder if.
And I'm just using the Method All-Purpose Spray in Clementine. I love the fresh smell it has, so it's just uplifting when I'm cleaning with it. I love it.
I want you back here with me. We never should have.
These right here, I got this from Walmart for like $2 something, I believe. I actually like this bin a lot. And then I also got this. You guys might have seen this in a previous Target haul, but it comes with it's $2, and you get like this size of trays or baskets, if you will, but there's 2 of them, and they have it in pink, like a blush pink, and also a white. But I got 2 sets of these, but I'm using the other set in my hutch, that's right, the one that I did a decluttering video on earlier. I think it was last time. So I'll use this if I need to for these cabinets. I'm going to try to use them for this. I might not use it at all, but we'll see. All right.
It's been so cold without you. I'm not gonna lie, don't know what I'd do without you. Maybe we could try to figure out a way to put our past aside. I've realized I only want you. I hope it's not too late. I want you back here with me. We never should have said it's better this way. I'd rather be with you than someone I don't know. Now it's like we're living in 2 separate worlds. Come on back to me, say that you won't go. I can't cope without you, and I wanna hold you close. Say that you won't go. Say that you won't go. Say that you won't go. Say that you won't go.
And I'm just repurposing this little plastic bin. I'm just putting all my drink mixes in here just to keep them all in one spot. Just easier for me to get to when I need to.
Living in 2 separate worlds. Come on back to me. Say that you won't go. I can't cope without you, and I wanna hold you close. Say that you won't go. Say that you won't go. Say that you won't go. Say that you won't go.
Don't wanna wake up, I might be dreaming. I might be dreaming. You're stirring things up, my heart is beating. My heart is beating. I won't let go, I can't say no. My heart is yours, so I say here we go. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, I'm like a spinning top. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, and I keep spinning. You see right through me, do that to me, so let's do this.
So for the people that have watched my videos for a while now, you know that I have 2 fridges, and I still have the 2 fridges just because we are going to be getting rid of this fridge. Right now we're just using it as like an extra fridge for extras and stuff because my fridge is a little bigger, my new one, but it doesn't hold as much as I thought it should. So we're trying to figure out what we're going to do with that. But I do want to put a pantry where this white fridge is, just so I have more food storage, because I really do not have like any food storage, as you can clearly see.
Here we go. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, I'm like a spinning top. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart.
Alright, and then I'm just condensing some of these snacks into like little bags because, for one, to keep them fresh longer, and also just to make more space, because we're doing a big snack thing right now where the kids only get 2 snacks a day, 1 snack between breakfast and lunch and 1 snack between lunch and dinner, just to make our snacks last longer, because if it was any other way, the snacks would be gone in a day or 2. So I am just trying to condense it and make more space for all the snacks that we do have, because we just want to just have it be less cluttered, you know?
Don't wanna wake up, I might be dreaming. I might be dreaming. You're stirring things up, my heart is beating. Oh, so I say here we go. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, I'm like a spinning top. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, and I keep spinning. You see right through me, do that to me. So let's do this, baby. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, I'm like a spinning top. Giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, giving it up. Oh, I'm like a spinning top. Giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, spinning top. Giving it up, giving it up.
It's easy to speak out about the way I live, but it's a 24-karat dream. No supermodel in my dirty jeans, but in my 24 inches heels. I am not pretending, I'm born like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. They're calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman. It's trouble in your mind how I spend my time, but it's a 24-hour streak. Wasting all your thoughts just to criticize, but there are plenty more ways to think. I am not pretending, I'm born like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. They're calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman.
In this basket, I'm just keeping like all my KitchenAid mixer accessories, and then also like a small little chopping board. So all of this right here is going to the garage in a basket for later. And over here we have my coffee stuff, and above here we have like my KitchenAid mixer stuff and my baking stuff and my gravy boat. That's the only spot I could think of where to put my gravy boat. And then on to the next cabinets, we have all this over here is so nice and neat. Top left is tortilla chips. We have the fried onion straws, and we have the tortillas right there. We have pasta sauces on this corner. We got the stovetop right there, and rice-a-roni and just like additives for meals. Mac and cheese, pasta, and a big old box of different types of pasta. So that looks really good. That looks pretty similar to what I did last time when I was doing the decluttering video in the kitchen, and it's been staying pretty good ever since. Like up here, the only thing I did different was add the honey sauce. So yeah, I've been able to keep that looking nice since last time. And then over here I have just a bag of cookies up here, and some, like, baking stuff like snacks and treats over here, my flavored drinks, mixes, and breakfast stuff, and peanut butter right there. I think it looks a ton better. And then over here, this is as good as I can get it, really, you guys, I know, but we got oatmeal, we got cookies, we got snacks bin. Until I can find my sugar container, I'm going to put this sugar in there, but for now this is what it's going to look like. But we have all these other things up here. Everything is actually organized and neat. At least it is full, but at least it looks, you know, put together. And now moving on to the top of my other fridge, the fridge that we use for our normal food all the time. So just clearing this off and reorganizing it, and yeah, I'm so thrilled when this is done.
It's so extreme and I don't really care. I don't really care, yeah. And I don't really care. I don't really care, yeah. You're calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care. I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman.
Right here I just reorganized my dad's oatmeal and cereal in this basket. Looks a lot better now.
It's trouble in your mind how I spend my time, but it's a 24-hour streak. Wasting all your thoughts just to criticize, but there are plenty more ways to think. I'm not pretending, I'm more like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care.
It was time to put the new Hershey syrup in the fridge, so that's what I'm doing right now.
Really care, yeah. You're calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if
Much better. All of this is just garbage. I am so happy to relieve my house of this. Alright you guys, so I hope this video was very motivating and encouraged you to declutter some things or just reorganize things if you don't need to declutter. And yeah, I hope this also brings some joy to your days. I know right now everybody's having a rough time, and sometimes we just need a good quick pick-me-up, and hopefully this video helped with that. And also, if it wasn't enough, head on over to Rachel's channel, Live Laugh Love Mommy. I'm going to put her link in my description box below. And watch. You see me? Good. Yeah. And then watch her video. Even if this was enough, definitely watch her video, because I'm sure it's going to be very motivating, and yeah, she rocks. So I'm so happy I get to be a person who does get to collaborate with her, because she's an incredible human being. So definitely head on over to her channel if you have not yet and watched her video. And I hope you guys like and definitely share, because it definitely supports my channel and helps me be a stay-at-home mom. And yeah, I don't want to grovel and beg, but if you want, you can share. And anyways, you guys have a fabulous day, and thanks for watching. Bye now.